Alright, you are welcome to this video. So today in this video we are going to find the largest number in an array. So let's say that you are given a number, a set of numbers, and then you are trying to you have to find, your duty is to find the largest number in those set of numbers. Then you have to put those numbers in an array form, and then you find them using data structures and algorithm. Okay, with this, in this number here, we have an array of numbers. So we are going to to find the largest number. So whenever you are solving algorithm questions or data structures, one thing that's advisable is that you have to get a model for solving the question. You just you just don't go ahead and start writing the code. No, you take your time. You get a model or a plan that you are using to tackle the problem. So once that plan is in place, then and you have jotted some things down, then you are free to go ahead and tackle the question. So here in this case, we have our scores is equal to this array of of numbers. So now the model that we are going to use is to you take one of these numbers and compare it with the remaining of of the numbers. So let's say that number is called largest number. So let's say largest. So this is camera casing that I'm using here is equal to So we are going to assign it to the first element with an index of 0, which is this first element over here. So there is it. So largest number is equal to score of 0. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to compare this largest number, which is this 20, the array with index of 0, against the remaining numbers. So this is what you are going to do. So we are saying that for let I is equal to 0 and then I less than scores dot length. So there is actually a method for finding the total number. So let's I plus plus. All right. So we are going to see that we are going to bring an if statement inside this follow. So if the number that we are comparing, or we are currently comparing, is actually greater than the largest number, then what we want to do is that we want to assign the largest number to be to that number which is greater than the largest number. So the largest number now becomes that number. So this is how it's going to be. So this is a very, very, very simple. So if this number that we are comparing is greater than 20, then largest number is that number. So here, when we compare it with 3, when we start the program, so is 3 greater than 20? The answer is false. So 20 remain as the largest number. So once it reaches 74, is 74 greater than 20? Yes. So it's assigned to 74 as the largest number, and then it continues and continues in that order. So we are going to console.log, and then we run it for all of us to see. So we are going to say console.log. So the largest number in the sets. Okay, the largest number is you're going to call it largest number. So let me bring up my terminal over here, and then let me run this. So this is how you run it in the terminal. You can see that the largest number is 101. So this is a simple program to show you how to find the largest number in an array. So if you are to find the smallest number, the only thing that's going to change is from the equal sign to to the less than. So your assignment or your exercise is to find the smallest number in an array. Thank you for watching up to this point. Don't forget to leave a subscribe or a comment and share this video to someone who may benefit from it. And then don't forget to subscribe the channel. God bless you. Bye bye.